Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about one topic, that is city creation. In this, basically, we are discussing about one topic, that is this money. Basically, this is that money, basically, where the whole world basically gets money from. Basically, that means from this money, the whole world basically gets money. One of the person told that basically. Uh, Nowadays, basically, do you know basically the group basically who are basically not able to earn the money, they do that type of activity also. For example, you are not getting job, so that means some group basically might be there basically who are basically in between. Then Sunil told yes basically. So it might possible that they will be sending you the recruitment, and they basically might possible that basically they will take your interview also. And when basically they are taking your interview, that time only basically they will call and basically say that basically we are going to give this much business basically, don't take him in the job basically. Then it was that okay basically, but actually that was actually business basically. So that is this topic basically. That is this topic basically. That is that is this topic. So this has converted into business, huh, basically. This has converted into business basically. Energy business, this business, that business, each and every business basically, that has converted into business basically. And I think that basically this company basically also has done the business only basically. This company also basically has done business basically. That he is basically one Gujarati person basically, and he is basically from Chennai basically. So two partners basically are running the company basically, and they also basically done some business basically. This company. Chennai Solution Link Lab, this basically Laksh basically. This is that company basically. So see, basically this is that company basically. See, basically they have good projects also basically. So like this basically the company basically. I will give you the exact email address of that person also basically, who basically done this type of activity basically. So this is basically some personal basically, that is not related to some energy basically. So here basically this is also basically the right basically. Now basically we are discussing what? Here basically we are discussing what? This topic. This topic. In this basically we are discussing what? This basically. The disease basically. In this disease basically there are two types of disease. Sorry, three type of gender disease, and in gender basically male, female and others disease. Same way basically medicine also basically, in this medicine basically gender basically male, female and others disease basically. Sorry, medicine basically. So you can just imagine basically the Microsoft blood cells basically is connected up to what level basically. One other person told that basically, can we find the total Microsoft sand basically generated, sorry, total lava generated from the Microsoft? Then one other person told that that only universe group basically can do that. That normal person basically can't do. Even basically the satellite group can't do that basically. Only universe connected group basically can do that basically. Then he told the reason behind is this group basically are up to that level basically. You can't believe that basically. This group basically are this group basically. They have given the 35 words basically to Microsoft. 35 words basically to Microsoft basically. That is this basically. 35 words. They have given 35 words to the Microsoft. Here, 35 words to the Microsoft. Do you know why basically they have given 35 words? The reason is this basically. Total lava creation, that is the total sand basically, which is going to create by the total sand and the lava going to create by the Microsoft. So you can just imagine basically up to the what level the Oxford group basically has reached basically. They know that Microsoft has to create this many land basically. So they basically given up to the as per the land creation data basically. This connects to the farmer basically. Farmer knows that basically if we have this many seeds basically, then basically we can have this many objects, products basically from, or basically the tomato, vegetables, fruits, any whatever thing basically from the land basically. So the Oxford group know basically that if we will give 35 words basically to Microsoft, then basically they are going to have this many lava and this many sand basically in the earth planet in the this many countries basically. So in next video basically we are going to see that countries list.